Vacuuming and washing at the same time sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Don't move because I'm about to introduce you to the top 5 vacuum cleaners, starting with the cheapest. Cheapest doesn't necessarily mean least effective. You can find the product links in the description just below. In 5th place, we have the BISSELL Vac and Steam Titanium, a real gem among vacuum cleaners. Renowned for its advanced features, the BISSELL brand offers exceptional versatility with this model. With its unique 2-in-1 function, it combines suction and steam cleaning simultaneously or separately, providing a complete solution to keep your surfaces impeccable. Thanks to its convenient digital control on the handle, the transition between suction and steam modes is smooth. This household marvel is equipped with a drop-it dirt tank, an innovation that allows for hygienic and effortless disposal of debris. The powerful cyclonic action ensures efficient cleaning, and the quick 30-second heating time ensures a fast and effective intervention. Its clever design handles dry debris while eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria through steam cleaning. The BISSELL Vac and Steam Titanium also stands out with its dry tank, keeping debris in the bin completely dry, avoiding any contact with steam. User-friendliness is optimized with an easy empty function for simple and convenient post-use cleaning. Washable filters, both sponge and pleats, ensure lasting performance by effectively capturing fine dust and debris. In short, the BISSELL Vac and Steam Titanium is more than just a vacuum cleaner. It embodies excellence in home maintenance, offering a comprehensive and innovative solution for a clean and healthy environment. However, the drop-it dirt tank may be small, requiring frequent emptying, and some users report that the cleaner can be a bit noisy. In 4th place in our selection, we highlight the Rowenta Clean and Steam Revolution, a masterpiece of ingenuity in the world of vacuum cleaners. Renowned for its lightweight and user-friendly design, this intuitive device offers optimal comfort during use. Its ingenious 2-in-1 design sucks up dust from the floor before steam cleaning, ensuring maximum cleanliness. This revolutionary model goes beyond simple cleaning by eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the power of steam, using only tap water, without resorting to chemicals or detergents. A unique feature of this gem is its essential oil diffuser, built into the suction head. By adding a few drops of essential oils to the provided pad, the Rowenta Clean and Steam Revolution allows steam to diffuse a pleasant fragrance throughout the room, adding a touch of well-being to the cleaning experience. With a repair guarantee for 10 years and a standard 2-year warranty, this steam cleaner adapts to all types of floors, whether it's hardwood, tile, vinyl, or carpets, rugs, thanks to the included Ultra Glider accessory, ensuring optimal refreshment. Furthermore, advanced cyclonic technology ensures optimal separation of air and dust, ensuring lasting results and exceptional performance. In conclusion, the Rowenta Clean and Steam Revolution stands out as an innovative solution to maintain spotless floors while providing a pleasant and fragrant cleaning experience. Despite its advantages, some users have mentioned that the produced steam may not be hot enough for some intensive cleaning, and the steam water tank may require frequent refills for large surfaces. On the 3rd step of the podium, the BISSELL CrossWave emerges as a true gem among vacuum cleaners. Its dual tank technology is an efficiency feat, keeping clean water and cleaning formula separate from dirty water thanks to 2 independent water tanks. This innovative design ensures that you always clean with clean water, optimizing cleaning results. The versatility of this 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner is impressive, adapting perfectly to tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, and carpets. It excels in suction and cleaning, removing spills, dirt, and stains with remarkable efficiency. The automatic self-cleaning feature is convenient, removing dirt, hair, and debris from the brush roll after each use with a simple button press. This feature reduces the time needed for cleaning after each session while preserving the CrossWave's performance. Smart controls on the handle provide an intuitive user experience, allowing easy switching between hard floor and carpet cleaning, while controlling the solution with an on-demand solution trigger. For even more effective cleaning, the BISSELL CrossWave comes with a naturally based cleaning solution, providing optimal results whether your floors are dry or wet. In short, the BISSELL CrossWave is more than just a vacuum cleaner. It embodies excellence in multi-surface cleaning with advanced technology and smart features for an optimal cleaning experience. However, battery life can be a challenge for large houses, requiring frequent recharges, and some users report that cleaning the tank can be a bit cumbersome. In 2nd place in our selection is the Tineco iFloor 3, a masterpiece among vacuum cleaners, combining lightness, cordless operation, and exceptional power. Designed to excel in cleaning hard floors, this revolutionary device doesn't compromise on cleaning performance while being easy to store, even in tight spaces. Remarkably lightweight, the iFloor 3 Breeze Plus vacuums and washes simultaneously, effortlessly removing the toughest stains from your floors. Its cordless design offers unmatched freedom of movement, allowing smooth navigation throughout the house. This household marvel also stands out for its ability to leave less water on the floor than its competitors, ensuring cleaner floors, faster drying, and an optimal appearance. The dual tank technology of the iFloor 3 ensures that you always clean your floors with clean water. Dirty water is collected in a separate tank, eliminating the need to wring out, rinse, or dispose of disposable mops. Once your cleaning session is complete, simply place the iFloor 3 Breeze Plus on its charging station and activate the self-cleaning cycle. This ensures that the tube and brush remain clean and odor-free, extending the life of the device. In summary, the Tineco iFloor 3 embodies the perfect alliance between cordless convenience, cleaning power, and intelligent design, making it an ideal partner for maintaining the cleanliness of your home, especially if it's of medium size and equipped with hard floors. It is worth noting that the initial cost may be higher compared to some other models on the market, and some users note that the device may struggle to clean hard-to-reach areas. At the top of our selection, the Dreame H12 stands out as a powerful 4-in-1 cleaning combo, offering exceptional versatility. This powerhouse allows you to easily switch between dry cleaning, wet cleaning, use as a handheld vacuum, or with the hose to meet various cleaning needs. The Dreame H12 Dual is truly a master in managing dirt on hard floors, carpets, and even sofas. Featuring a one-touch self-cleaning and drying function, the Dreame H12 Dual provides a hassle-free cleaning experience. After self-cleaning, the 55 degrees Celsius hot air technology dries the brush in less than 30 minutes, eliminating the inconvenience of potential odors. This clever feature keeps the brush clean and ready for use at any time. The improved dual-edged brush of the Dreame H12 Dual allows for deep cleaning and reaching the most remote corners with remarkable precision, getting closer than 6 mm to your baseboards. This powerful cleaner also excels in managing hard-to-reach corners and narrow spaces, offering a complete solution for a spotless interior. With significant water tanks, the Dreame H12 Dual allows for extended cleaning sessions, eliminating the need for frequent stops to refill the tank. The impressive 16,000 Pascal suction power ensures optimal cleaning performance for 60 minutes. The advanced dust and dirt detection system intelligently adjusts power based on the degree of dirt, offering a personalized approach to precisely manage each type of dirt. In summary, the Dreame H12 Dual positions itself as an undisputed leader, offering a comprehensive and powerful approach to take control of household messes, with special attention to ease of use, performance, and intelligent dirt management. Note that some users have reported that battery life may be shorter when using high power settings, and the cost may be higher compared to other vacuum cleaners on the market. So, which vacuum cleaner are you going to enjoy cleaning your floors with? Tell me in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and find the product links in the description. I'll see you soon for more top 5 lists.